Material designs for face-to-face environments. Theoretical foundation for designing the teaching materials. By Jesús Javier Caicedo Arroyo, Grow 13, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Introduction. Teaching another language is not only a media content, a grammatical structure. It is also the contextualization and the subject to the design of digital teaching materials that support by imaging designs to and content allow the student to motivate themselves and to build knowledge through what they see. The didactic materials, they can be any type of device designed and developed with the intention of facilitating a process of teaching and learning that is facilitating the teaching of the teaching staff and the learning of the students. The didactic materials are the elements that the teacher uses, facilitate and lead the learning of the student books, poster, maps, photos, sheet, video, software, almost another tool offered by technology. What should ELT material have? First of all, device readiness activities. We help the learners to activate their mind prior to the experience the test. Material must contain a lot of spoken and written text, which provide extensive experience of language being used in order to achieve outcomes in a variation of tests, type, and genre in relation to the topics, themes, events, location, and so forth. Likely to be meaningful to target learning. In the other idea, the material offered must be varied, novelty, attractive, interesting, and reflective. Should that the language, the learning, are exposed to in authentic in sense that it represents how the language is typically used. Language use is determined and contemplated in relation to its content for make activity with guests learning to think about what they are reading or listening to them to respond to it personality. May use activities with girl learning to think and feel before, during, and after using the target language for communication. Principal approach to development are ELT materials. One of the things which material writers need to do is to develop flexible framework to help them produce effective material for target learning in principal and current ways. Principal and language acquisition 1, principal and material developed. In order to acquire the ability to use the language effectively, the learning needs a lot of experience a language being used in a variety of different ways for a variety of purpose. Much has been writing a issue authenticity, and some experts consider that it is useful to focus attention and feature a language by removing distraction, difficulties, and complexity from sample tests. In conclusion, I can say follow. Teachers who take part in the design of teaching material must have knowledge in what technological advances mean, in what they implicate, to have answering awareness are the kind of knowledge and skill involved in developing class material, developing a wide range of teaching technique and strategy that allow to know independent flows and need prioritize them and work them for another perspective that are more useful, consequent to the process and activity the student has part of the necessary motivation for learning another language. Thank you so much. Time to watch this video.